What's up, guys? Today we're going to make a sanding disc for your lathe and a stand to make it into a disc sander. You guys remember, MDF is not something to mess around with. So if you're gonna turn it or cut it or whatever, make sure that it's hooked up to a good vacuum, that you have ventilation. I've got my fan going right now, blowing all this air out. The door's open behind me, and of course I'm wearing a mask. So be safe in the shop, guys. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this quick little build. It's something really simple, and yes, I do plan on actually making a much bigger one for this lathe, but this was the only sanding disc that I had on hand. You can do this by just taking multiple paper size sandpaper and gluing them on there, you know, all together. I've done that before, but I actually want a legit sanding disc for this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It came out super well, as you can tell. This is 60 grit sandpaper. It's really not a grit I would normally use, but like I said, that was the only one I had on hand. But really the main focus was this, the stand for it. Super easy, super simple. You can customize it however you want. That's it for me for this one, guys. Be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!